Want to know how to properly view descriptions of florals, plants, and species in PlantNet? So, if you have discovered any plant and if you are exploring, I'm going to show you how you can easily see the descriptions properly and with more information. So, it's super simple and another minute. So, let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So, you can just simply head on to identify.plantnet.org and you should be provided with this interface right here. And you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and once you have done that, you should be seeing explore. Just simply select it, and here you should be seeing explore species by default. You can just simply select all change continents as well. So as you scroll down, you should be seeing various species, so you can just simply select any one of these, so maybe their titles or their name. So once you've done that, here if you zoom in to this map, you should be seeing its availability in the world map itself. So as you can see, you can just simply choose from all to a specific florals. You can scroll down for phenology with maps and graphs on our various hemispheres and attitudes with trends, as all of them you can see on the left side. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.